Hello everyone, Denise here. Today I'm doing a review of the Overjoyed yarn that I purchased at Walmart. This is Overjoyed yarn, 100% acrylic, 4.23 ounces, 120 grams, 157 yards, 144 meters. This is medium gray, calls for a 6mm knitting needle. I'm going to use a 6.5 on it, crochet hook. It is a bulky weight 5. So I picked this up at Walmart quite a while ago. One of my Walmarts has this yarn, the other one does not. I did make a bag with this a long time ago, and I will show that to you in a little while. But I wanted to be using this yarn to do a thorough review and refresh my memory of its good and bad points, if there are any, and just go over it overall with you in case you have not used this yarn. So I am going to go ahead and work this up, and then I will show you what I have made with it, and I will be right back to you to let you know my thoughts on it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have created this hat with the yarn, and I finished up. I also grabbed the bag that I made with the same yarn, except the yarn was in white. And I do not have the ball band of the white yarn, so I'm not sure if it was called white, but this is the yarn. Purchased it at Walmart. So the bag I made was much smaller. I probably could have gotten another bag or two, maybe. Probably another bag out of this. This is just a basic little drawstring bag for dice or whatever you want to put in it, marbles, doesn't matter. I was going to do this review a long time ago, actually, and then, as usual, time got away from me and I did not finish it. So then I saw the yarn again at Walmart and I picked up gray, because I think I might have given away the extra, maybe in a scrap bag or something, when I gave stuff to Goodwill. But I created the hat out of the yarn, and I do like the yarn. The only thing that I have to say that may be a little annoying is that it has such a fuzz to it. I'm not really sure why, but I feel like when this is washed, it's probably going to pill, and I'm not even sure if you can see the fuzz. But it is just really fuzzy yarn, and I haven't washed the bag, and I have not washed the hat, so I am unsure if that is going to be a deal or not. But other than that, I like the yarn. The hook I was using for the hat is the Susan Bates Twist and Lock. And one thing I did notice with this yarn is that it caught on the hook head quite a bit. But not holding that against the yarn, I just don't think that the hook was a great fit for this yarn. But I did want to spend an extended amount of time crocheting with that hook to find out if it made my hand ache at all, see if it was too heavy in my hand. So I kept using the hook, even though it sort of gave me resistance with this yarn. But that's fine. I'm like I said, I'm not going to hold that against the yarn. So overall, I would probably give this yarn a good, I mean, it's a bulky weight yarn, and it's nice and it's soft and it's snuggly. Like, it's a great candidate for against your skin. I'd probably give it an 8 out of 10. I'm going to check the price of it online just to see how much I paid, because I don't remember. So it says it's $2.63 on Walmart's website. I mean, that sounds correct. It says they have navy, and I would have loved to pick up navy, but I don't remember seeing navy at my store. because it is really pretty. So I might have to go back and get navy tomorrow because that is beautiful. The color is gorgeous. I have no problem spending $263 on a good quality yarn. I was actually surprised I had to double look because I'm sure that I saw it the first time, but this is made in China and I'm surprised by that. Usually the softest, nicest yarns that I work with are from Turkey. So I was surprised to find out that it was made in China, but it is. And I like this yarn. I think this yarn is very nice. It has a bit of a sheen to it. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you can see the sheen on it. And I don't have a problem with that. It really reminds me, really a lot, reminds me of the Hometown yarn by Lion Brand. But Hometown is a bulky weight 6. But this yarn is so very similar to that yarn. Maybe I'll grab some and compare them. Okay, so I found some Hometown USA. That's what it is. This is Fort Worth Blue. So you can see on this yarn, pull some out here. This has the same fuzziness to it. Like identical. Except this yarn is a little bit thicker. It is a 6 bulky weight. Let's see where this is made. Actually, this says it's made in the USA. It's imported fiber. So we don't know where the fiber is imported from. But this is so very similar to this yarn. It's insane. In feel and everything. So if you have ever worked with Hometown USA, this is like Hometown USA, except it is a number 5 instead of a number 6 weight yarn. So that gives you an idea if you would like it or not. I used to make tons of hats with Hometown USA, and I really liked that yarn. This used to be $3 at Walmart. Per skein. It used to be like $2.97, and I used to get a hat out of every single one. And that's when I was making the messy bun hats. I will see how much it is right now. So Hometown USA is $3.42 now on Walmart's website. So think of it that way. This is like Hometown USA Light. It is not made by Lion Brand. It is Overjoyed yarn, easy knit. So yeah, it is worth buying. I recommend it. 157 yards. It is a good yarn. I like it. 8 out of 10. Give it 80% out of 100%. I really like the white. I think the white is gorgeous, and I really want that blue. So it says there's one in stock where I live at one of my Walmarts. So I'm going to pick some up tomorrow. And if they have any more white, I'll get that. And if they have red, I'll get that, because that is what I do, red, white, and blue. So that is it for my review of the Overjoyed yarn. I know this yarn has been out for a long time because I made this bag probably a year plus ago. Probably a lot. Yeah, maybe more like 2 years ago I made that. Just haven't gotten around to do this review, but I wanted to get it out there. I don't know if there's other reviews out there. I didn't look to see, but it is a yarn that I can get at my local Walmart that I like, and so I'm going to recommend it. Definitely 80% out of 100. The only reason why I'm docking it a bit is because of the fuzz. I'm not sure what it's going to do when it washes up. Now, if it washes up and it is great, I have no problem giving it a 10 out of 10, 100%. But I just don't know. So I cannot give it 100% right now. But based on my experience with this yarn, I like it. I like it a lot. And as you can see, I did single crochets on this bag. and I did double crochets for the most part on this hat. So it works up great no matter the stitch. Just a good candidate for quick, easy projects to get done and gift. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and keep an eye out for another yarn review that I will be doing soon with another Walmart yarn. So thank you for watching. Until next time.